Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate a Google Docs document. I'm going to open up one of my documents here, and as you can see here, this document is currently in English. Now I'm going to show you how to translate this document. So all you have to do is simple click on tools from the many options here, and here in the list you have Google Translate, and this is actually Google Translate. So you can just simple click on translate document. Here you have the name of the file. What I like to do is just put the language that I want. So let's say I want to translate this into Czech language. I got a simple put Czech and put a dash there so that I can easily identify the document. Now I'm going to go to choose a language. And then from here, you want to go ahead and find the language. In my case, I said Czech. So I'm going to select Czech language and then simple click and translate. You can see right here at the top that it opens up a new tab and it's going to easily translate that document here into that language. And also keep in mind that you still have your original document here. You can always go back to this document as well. So it creates a copy of the document with the new language. I want to recommend that while Google Translation is really good, you want to ensure that you have a native speaker kind of go over the document and ensure that everything is on point and that there's some wording or some phrasing that don't sound differently or don't mean something else that you don't intended, right? So you want to go ahead and ensure that you have a native speaker go over your document. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how to easily translate a Google Docs document in Google Docs.